Hey, it's AJ here with your PC building tip of the day. Got a couple of old AMD CPUs here, and I just wanted to show you an interesting feature on some of these, especially the older models. Some of the newer ones don't have it because I think it just got too expensive for the manufacturers to keep doing this. But you see these pins on here. People get really persnickety about when they're bent. It's, oh, I got one. Oh, it's, how do you unbend it? Without snapping it off. Blah blah blah. No, these are called crush pins, and they're actually for absorbing the impact of from going through postage or people fiddling with them at the store or whatever. And they're supposed to they protect the contacts from impacts and being dropped and things like that. So if you bend them, it's not a big deal. They're doing their job. Just go ahead and put them on the motherboard. Just slap them on the socket. Done. Sometimes you might want to smear some of this gray goo on here. You'll see a lot of people putting it on the surface here. Which, that's fine and everything, but it's actually to go between the crush pins and get better contact between the motherboard, the CPU socket, and the actual contacts. Some people actually take a Dremel and go ahead and remove all of these. I don't do that. I just kind of, here's what I do. I kind of smash them on something flat, and try to get them stamped down as much as possible. You can also just leave them up, it's no big deal. But that's what they're for. They're crush pins. See, you're handling your CPU and you drop it, and they're there. It's like crumple zones on a car. So there's your tip of the day. See, just put that on your Mobo. Crank down your fan as hard as you can. You might hear, just go ahead and crank it down until you hear the motherboard kind of creak a little bit, and you'll be good to go. All right.